Welcome to qnawire.
So now we're going to work on problem 76 from chapter 13. In this problem, we're asked about a wastewater coming from a cement factory. It retains or it possesses a certain amount of calcium and magnesium ions per volume of solution. And we need to calculate the concentration of calcium and magnesium in ppm, in parts per million by mass. So let's go ahead and first define ppm so we can know what we're calculating here. So ppm stands for parts per million, and it can be calculated by dividing the mass of the solute by the mass of the solution. So this is for part ppm by mass, and then we multiply by 10 to the 6th. So first, let's calculate the mass of the solution, because we're given the mass of the solute. So the mass of the solution, we're given 100 liters. And so we can convert this to grams by first converting to milliliters. We're given the value of density in liters, in grams per milliliter. So we needed to convert to milliliters, and then we can multiply by the density. And we get a value of 1.001 times 10 to the 5th grams. So that's how many grams are in 100 liters of solution. So to calculate ppm for calcium, we're told that for every 100 liters of solution, there's 0.25 grams of calcium ions. And then the mass of the 100-liter solution is what we just calculated. Then we multiply by 10 to the 6th, and we get our value of 2.5 ppm calcium 2+. So the second part is to do it for magnesium. So the mass of magnesium in each uh, 100 liters of solution is 0.056 grams. The mass of solution is the same. So we multiply by 10 to the 6th, and we get a value of 0.56 ppm. So the decimal places move, but the numbers are so similar because we're basically multiplying by an even number. This 1 in the third place does not affect in terms of significant digits, does not affect the actual number, but we change the decimal place.